Sorry, I
Hello,
forgot
Sonia.
about the class timing.
What happened? What happened? You forgot?
Yes,
No
I was
problem.
watching Ramayan and it slipped my
So,
mind.
how's things? How's life? Everything good?
Yeah, everything is
Still
good.
it's cold. Still it's cold.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So we have a good topic today about social media selling, social media business, social media advertisements. So
Okay.
when you are watching this Ramayan, is there a lot of advertisements coming in the TV? And do you get irritated by that?
Yeah,
Mhm.
a lot.
Mhm. So can you tell me some of the advertisements which you regularly see on the TV or in the magazines or newspaper? Can you
I
tell me
just
some?
wait for 5 seconds to skip. I don't notice about the ads.
You don't, but some of the advertisements sometimes they are very catchy, very eye catchy that stays with you. So do you remember any of such good advertisements which you are very much fascinated, very interesting advertisements?
I can't recall right now. I was just watching and then I realized that I'm missing my class. So I just
So
jumped in.
are you very active in the social media like Facebook or
Yes.
WhatsApp, Instagram, or
Yeah.
LinkedIn, Twitter? So
Yeah,
what
I
are the
have an
social media
Instagram account
and
and
hmm.
YouTube
Mhm.
and yeah, Facebook.
So how many
But it's
followers, how many friends you have in Facebook? You have many friends,
mm, maybe three or 50, 350, like that. 300.
300 friends you
300.
have in the Facebook. So you
Uh,
are very much, every day you check your messages, your posts, and do you also post in the Facebook some pictures, some write-ups, some photos? No.
no, I don't post regularly. I don't post regularly, but yeah, I created account for my son.
Go there.
Okay, go.
There.
Divyam.
Divyam.
So yeah, I
Ah,
post for him
aha,
on
aha,
his account. I post his pictures and videos, reels,
aha, aha. You
and
post reels?
yeah,
So how do you make reels? You just shoot.
yes,
So
random
you.
things he does.
Mhm.
I just capture that and just post with the music.
Wow, so you have an app for that? What app are you using? Is it Kind Master or what app are you using to add music and edit that video? How do you edit that?
I edit in my phone, in my camera.
Mhm.
There is some pictures,
Mhm.
and I use Instagram music for that and
Aha,
YouTube
very good.
music.
Very
Yes,
good. And then you post it. So generally, how
yes.
many likes you get? Plenty of, you have a lot of followers in Instagram?
No, I recently created his account. I
Okay.
think it's just 2 or 3 months.
How about your YouTube? Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I
Which
upload Clapingo videos on that, and I
really,
have
really
right now I have 433 subscribers.
subscriptions. Wow,
Yes,
that's fantastic. Mhm, mhm.
yes,
So how often you post in your YouTube channels? Every day, whenever you attend the Clapingo session, you post it, or
yes,
you edit it and you take time weekly
yes. I
once.
take time.
Mhm,
First, I have to send the link to Clapingo
mhm,
authority. Then they
mhm. They will send to you, and then you edit it. You add
yes,
some captions on that, and then you post it.
yes.
So normally, what time you do all these things? Because you are busy, you are a housewife, you have to take care of your children, and then what time? Normally after lunch, after dinner, when do you do all these work? All
Whenever
your
I found little
uh,
time for
whenever I
me,
find, whenever I
fine.
find
Yes,
time, yeah, I do
time.
that.
Yes.
Very nice. So, have you started getting some money from YouTube, generating some
No,
revenue?
no,
No. Do you
not
know
yet.
that if you have a lot of followers and a lot of people watching your channels, you get money, you can generate money from that?
Yes, by uploading these video,
Hmm.
I have got credit in Clapingo, and then I
Really?
resubscribed Clapingo.
How is that? Tell me more on that. I don't know anything about that.
I upload 3 videos a week,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
then I send the links
Hmm.
to
To
Clapingo,
Clapingo. Hmm.
and
So
they
it's advertisement for them. It's
yeah, they
advertisement for
give
them.
me 300 in my wallet for
Aha.
every 3 videos.
So for one video, 100 rupees.
Yes,
So you receive 300 rupees from Clapingo.
yes.
So when
So
after 3 months, when you renew your subscription, you can redeem
y-
that point, that 300
yes,
rupees. Hmm. Hmm. Nice. So how did you get this idea that yes, I will edit and post it in YouTube, this Clapingo? How did you get that idea? Somebody told you, or you have seen it in the YouTube, so you thought, okay, why not? I do that.
I have seen on Clapingo a message that if
Mhm,
I upload
mhm.
on YouTube, then I will got money. I will get
I'll get,
credit
I'll get
in
credit.
my wallet. So
Right.
then I started uploading on YouTube.
Perfect. Perfect. So we lost around 8, 9 minutes. So next time, I hope
Yes.
you will come on time. So have you heard about homonyms? Some words, same spelling, and you pronounce those words in the same way, but different meanings. Have you heard such words?
Yeah, there are.
I'll give you some examples. Don't worry. Water. What's the meaning? You drink water. You have
Yes.
water, you drink water, right? And what
Yes.
another meaning for water? Is there any other meaning for water? Can you think of some other meaning? You can't.
Water?
Water the
No.
plants, water the plants,
Yes.
right?
Yeah,
So
okay.
this drinking water, that's a noun, and watering the plants is a verb.
Is
It's a verb,
yes.
right? Right? How many
Yes.
meanings you have, right? What is the meaning of right? Right. Yes, Sonia, you are right. You are
Yeah,
right.
right matlab correct.
You are correct. Okay. Another meaning for right. Another word
Is
for right.
right side.
Right side, right hand.
Yes.
You
Yes.
can say, I am the right hand of my husband. You can say that.
Yes.
Close, close,
Close the door and
close,
he's
close. Please
close to
close the
me.
door. Please close the door. And he
Mm,
is very close to me.
close
That
to
is,
me.
you are close to your heart. You can say,
Yes.
or you can say, oh, my friend Rohan, he lives very close to my apartment, maybe
Yeah.
opposite street. So you can
Yeah.
use close and close. Okay. Fine, fine. Fine.
Fine. Well.
Yeah, it's fine with me. Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will meet at 4 p.m. Okay, that's fine. That's
Fine.
okay for me. That's correct. That's good for me. Another fine.
Yeah.
What's the meaning? Another meaning of fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
Punishment also is a fine.
Yeah, yes, you got it. You were over
Yeah.
speeding and the policeman intercepted you, and I was fined 5,000 rupees.
Yeah.
No seat belt, no seat belt, no helmet. What do you have to do? You have to give a fine of
Fine. Yes.
500. So it's fine with me. Giving a fine, 5,000 rupees. Okay, it's fine for me. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay, park, Park.
Park is a place, and park the motorcycle.
Park your cycle, park
Yes.
your car, and I go to a nearby beautiful park every day
Yeah.
for my morning walk. Right?
Mm.
Ship, ship,
Ship
ship.
is transportation, and
Yes.
ship the order.
Ship. Yeah, I shipped everything by courier. The
Yes.
courier, and the
Yes.
ship where you travel on in the sea or in the oceans. I travel to London by ship. I traveled to London by ship. I went to Lakshadweep by ship. I went from
Yes.
Kolkata to Andaman Nicobar Islands by a ship. And What is the another thing? Left.
Left.
Left. Hmm.
Left. One meaning is leave, and the other is left side.
Yeah, he left the party early. He left.
Yes.
You have to give me sentences. Give me sentences.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Left. 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 Give me sentences.
Okay. Yeah, he left the party before dinner. And look at your left side. There is
Yeah,
something for
when you are traveling, when you're driving, please look at your left side and right
Yeah.
side. Bright.
Yeah.
Give me the meaning and two different sentences. Bright.
Bright.
Bright. Mm.
Yeah. He has a bright future.
He has a bright future. Wow.
Yeah. And
Then-
I like bright colors.
I like bright color. The room is very bright. If you switch
Yeah.
on the light, the room is very bright.